Hey everyone, you caught me. The presents are wrapped, Christmas is around the corner, and I want to say happy holidays to everyone. Anyways, I can't wait for 2020 because I have to get back to my sewing machine. Anyways, at thequiltshow.com, we have some really great shows coming up. If it's time to renew, do it now. And if you've never had us in your life before, you should really jump on board because we bring you the greats, the unknowns, the people that are just on the cusp of something wonderful, and you wonder, how did they do that? Well, we show you at thequiltshow.com. Okay, I hope I can get this done before the kids come.